Hi my dears, Maggie is here with you, and today it will be a day to show you what I bought the last time. I saw that you like my, let's say, short videos about my purchases and how to use them. For example, I can give you some ideas, and my dear girls, don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments, share, like. If you have questions, you know I'm here for you. And let me show you what I bought this time. This time I had the luck to find a lot of t-shirts, sweatshirts with pictures. And I will show you, for example, this one. It's a dark khaki green. Take a look. Very nice. Fine fleece cotton, very good material, stretchy, and with stars. So it will be a star project. All the small, let's say, stones or beads, they're sticked on the fabric. Nothing is falling, and I will embellish it somehow. The other pieces are like this. By the way, the biggest part are uh, children's sweatshirts and t-shirts. So if you see something with a nice picture, let's say, buy it. You can cut it. You can use the other pieces. For example, it's a small size for children. But I liked here the whole idea. Ask your heart, and you can add something to embellish it. You can use all the front part, also the back part, the sleeves. It's a fine fleece cotton. For example, you can cut it like this, add more fabric. Yes, you will see it. What else? Here, another t-shirt, born to be cool. And I think it's nice for us from time to time to make something like a motivation project. And I did it before, so people likes it. Here it's a stretchy t-shirt, as you see, black t-shirt. With this one you can make some project with shirts or denim. Why not? We shall see. Here I have bling bling. Take a look. Very nice embellishment. The only thing I don't like is here. It's machine stitching, and it's a little bit scratchy. I don't like it because the t-shirt will be directly on your skin, and I prefer to use this one to cut the patch and to use it, for example, on top of some sweatshirt or some kind of cotton fabric like shirt fabric. But for example, in beige, I think it will be very elegant, very nice project. The sequins are very nice stitched. Nothing is falling. It's perfect, and I think something romantic will be done. Let's see what we have here. It's a kind of top. Take a look. Nice butterflies, and the color is kind of pink, but take a look. It's a small size, maybe small or maximum medium, my size. But I can cut the details. For example, I can use this butterfly here. It's in turquoise green or turquoise blue, and for example, if you have something in turquoise, you can make a combination. We have purple here also, kind of yellow. It's up to you to decide. Here we have another butterfly. It could be cut, or the other option is to cut the whole piece like this and to use it. Here I have this big butterfly with gold sequins, so I can use it separately. I have purple here, maybe with black, it will be interesting. I can cut it like this as a patch. I will decide later, but I really like this one. Other things, and by the way, leave a comment if you like videos like this. Here, for the cat lovers, take a look. A lot of cats. Here it's kind of painting small dots here, but the cats are very cute. And again, it's a child's t-shirt, and for example, I can cut this piece here with, let's say, with the bling bling, and the other cats, if you want, you can cut them one by one, or you can cut to make a pocket as you wish. It's khaki green, so you can make a combination with black, another khaki green. You can use denim if you want, or kind of shirt if you choose the colors like this. It will be fine. And something very, very cute. Take a look. Again, it's a children's size. Take a look at the cat. I love it. And here is Let It Shine, of course. So it's a very pale pinkish color, and here the color changes, but it's silver, kind of rose gold, here brown, and maybe I will make something in pinkish with gray. I will see, but I really love it. What else? Here I have a lace top, and I bought it because of the color. It's kind of blue-green, and it's a very nice combination with denim. For example, I have videos, I used this kind of colors, and they match perfectly with denim. And another thing, take a look. The fabric looks like this, and you can cut it here. For example, you can use this piece and every piece separately if you want. And I think it's interesting. Of course, you can use whole pieces if you want. It's nice and will be used for sure. Let's continue with the denim. Here I have not blue jeans. It's a khaki green. Actually nothing special, but I will tell you why I bought them. They have nice pockets. I can unstitch them to use them for some other project if I want, but I bought them because I found these, let's say, jeans, camouflage for children, but take a look. I can use the pockets here. Also on the back side I have side pockets, and if I want I can make a bag using the pockets and as a base this kind of khaki green denim. Also, the most important thing, here we have zippers like this. This part here, for example, you can use it if you make a tunic, for example, for the side panels, and you can use them like this, open, or you can close them. I did it before, and believe me, it looks very original. Also, if I make a bag, I can use this zipper here to make a pocket. And it's a 2-in-1 because I have the fabric and I have the zipper. So let's continue. I found a jacket, actually it's a vest, like this, and I'm planning to make a denim jacket big size. So here the neck part is wide enough for a plus size project, and I like the pockets. Here I will add more fabrics or fleece cotton, you will see, because I think in my shop I have only one jacket left, so I have to make something. This is the back side. Here I have a buckle, maybe I will leave it, so it will be another project. And also I can combine it with lighter denim or darker. It depends. And also we have the bottom part all ready, so I will use it like this. And now the most interesting part. This time I found some pieces with Disney characters. I love them. Take a look. It's for children, but take a look at this cute face. I love Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Daisy Duck, the aristocrat, the white Mary cat, and here, for example, it's a fleece cotton, and usually I cut the picture as a patch, and for example I can use beige cotton, brown denim like this one, darker or lighter. Also, if you have something with flowers, you can use it. So I think it could be a very interesting project. Here I have another kind of t-shirt like this. So you can choose different colors. You can use black if you want for more contrast. Again, I will cut this one, and also you can use white if you want, black denim, or dark gray denim if you want, kind of turquoise. It's up to you to decide. That's why I'm telling you that when I buy something, for example, the patch shows me which colors to use, because for example I can't use red or yellow here. It will be not okay, at least for me. So I prefer to find the colors which will match the patch, and I'm sure something nice will be done. Another one, it will be more sporty, Mickey Mouse, and here it's a t-shirt and blue denim, yes, a little bit red if you want, black, gray, white if you want. Just make the colors to match the patch. It's not so difficult. Here the patch shows you which colors to choose. And for you asked me, am I ready for the fall? Yes, girls, and the projects are coming. And the last piece, again, this one. Very nice colors. Here you can use, for example, kind of bright yellow, pinkish. Well, let's say it's a boy, but you can use black, orange. Okay, not pink. It will stay only here, but the other colors are okay. Also, you can use, if you want, denim, and I think it will be interesting. And also, I'm thinking about, uh, let's say, a new project with Disney characters, but plus size. So, tell me, do you like my idea? And I will gather together all the Disney characters in one folder, let's say, on my channel, and you will have all the projects on one place. I think it will be fine. So for now, I have to decide how to use all these beautiful materials, and you will see my projects. That's all for today, girls. I show you what I bought. As you see, I have a lot of interesting fabrics and materials and patches and characters. So the future projects are coming. If you like my video, just leave a comment and tell me, should I continue to show you what I bought? And my girls, uh, just if you have some idea, try it. The most important thing is to enjoy the process, like me, and take my ideas. I have a lot of ideas, and every time I'm trying to show you something different. And I hope you will appreciate this. That's all for today. I have to see what I will start. And till the next time, have a wonderful day. Bye. See you soon.